Good morning, dear students. It has been a very long time, and we are meeting after a big gap. So, in this session, we would begin from the poetry section, section 2, where the first poem, Song of the Open Road, written by Walt Whitman. Before we go to the poem, we have to discuss some questions which are given there in Icebreakers, page number 93. So, the first one in this series is choose the mode of travel that you would like the most for a journey. And as you see there, the options are airways, B waterways, C railways, and D roadways. But one thing, after choosing these one of the ways of travel, we have to give reasons for our preference. Why we are selecting particular way of travel. If someone chooses airways, we have to give reason. For example, if I have to reach my destination very fast, I would choose airways. Similarly, if someone likes to choose what roadways, we have to think about probable reasons for that. What may be the reasons? If my travel is not time bound, because it takes too much time, because the roads in India are very difficult, in very bad conditions sometimes in remote areas, and therefore we cannot be sure about the time in this journey. Sometimes there are no other ways available for the journey, and therefore we have to choose roadways. If you think about airways, and if it is not available there, airline is not there, how can we travel there? So therefore the ultimate way is roadways for that journey. Someone may think about railways. When we choose railways, what could be the reason? The reason may be when I would like to travel with many people, make new friends, and another purpose may be the traveler may also want to enjoy the beauty of the outside world while in the journey. So there may be variety of reasons for preferring a particular kind of travel. Let's go to second question. Discuss with your partner the preparations you would like to make for the journey chosen. So for any journey, we have to be ready for that. We have to make preparations for the journey. First of all, if we have to travel to a very new destination, new place for the first time in your life, we have to collect information of the place from various sources. Sometimes nowadays we have the help of the internet and we find out information about that place on the internet. After finding information, second thing we have to do, we have to book our tickets accordingly. If I am traveling by the train or if I am traveling by the plane. After that, another stage comes there where I have to make arrangements of accommodation for living in that place. And therefore, reasonable accommodation, we have to think about that. We have to book a particular place, lodge, rooms in that destination. And the last thing in this may be pack my bag. Particular things that we need in our journey. That is very important. If we have all the things, then probably we will not have so many difficulties in living in a new place. Right? Let's go to the third question there. Discuss the ways in which you would overcome the problems, hindrances, or difficulties you face during your journey. So there may be different kinds of journeys there, because every journey has some kinds of problems. And therefore, for any journey, we need to be mentally prepared, because we need to overcome the problems according to the situation. We need to keep our needs minimum and sustain in the prevailing situation. Third thing that we have to be ready, we have to keep a backup plan ready to move ahead. If we are having some difficulties there, then we have to have a backup plan ready. And the last thing, keep all the emergency contacts ready at hand. If we are in a particular difficult situation, in a new place where there are no people around us who can help us, and that time we need to have some contacts whom we can contact and get their help there. Sometimes we have to also be ready to take the help of the local people, and we have to take their guidance there. So that is how we can overcome the problems there, hindrances there, or difficulties, whichever are there in that place. The last question here is, during every journey, we have to observe certain rules. Discuss your ideas of the journey without any restrictions. You can begin like this. The first one which they have given here is, I would go alone with selected friends. We can add with my family. So, certain rules regarding this, we can make ourselves ready for this journey, deciding that I would not be very choosy about food, and I will be very happy to taste the local food. That can you decide. To minimize your problems, you have to think about this. Then we can also think about, I will not be rigid about the maintaining of the time, because sometimes when we are at home, we need our breakfast at time, we need our lunch at time, we need our dinner at time. But in journey, we cannot be rigid about these timings. We have to be very flexible here. Another thing we can think about, I will interact with local people as much as possible to know their culture, their lifestyle, and their problems if they have. So this is how, when we are about to take any journey, about to begin any journey, we have to make some preparations. And if we think about all these things, this will definitely help us in making our journey successful, right? So this is how we have discussed the icebreakers. Now we will move to the poem in the next part. Thank you.